Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Nanaba's Kitchen. I hope you all are having one fantastic day so far. Today, I am bringing you butter chicken. Woo! Velvety, rich in flavor, yet the ingredients we're going to use, I can literally count them right now. Very few. Let's begin, but first, let us wash our hands. So I have some chicken breast that I've already sliced thinly, and we're going to throw a few ingredients at it to get it started on marinating. Now, before we do that, do your sister, madam, a little favor. Click the like button, all right? Just so that you don't forget. Just get that out of the way. It encourages me, and we all could use a little encouragement here. So, all-purpose seasoning goes in first. A little bit of crushed white pepper, some chili powder, season with some salt, and that is to taste. We need some ginger essence in here, so I have some ginger paste and some garlic paste. Give it a good mix. Make sure everything is well coated. Now that our chicken is well coated, we are going to let it sit and rest while marinating for just 30 minutes. And by the way, it smells fantastic. I love the essence of ginger and garlic on chicken. We only needed 30 minutes to marinate the chicken, so we're gonna start cooking the chicken now. Small splash of oil. In the same wok, I'm going to pour some oil. We're going to start making the butter sauce. And a tablespoon of butter. Melt that all the way and add some onions. Add your jalapeno chili now. And you can adjust the amount of chili to your preference. You know, this carries heat. We're gonna cook it an extra 2 minutes before we add the next ingredient. add just a very small amount of tomato paste. Cook that an extra minute. We need our ginger paste, followed by garlic paste. Curry powder, a pinch of garam masala, chili powder, a pinch of paprika, all-purpose seasoning, which you may substitute with a chicken bouillon cube, white pepper. Give it a stir, cook for about a minute, and then we'll add the tomatoes next. You're gonna need to season, and that was a little bit of salt to my preference, so adjust the amount as well. We're going to cook the tomatoes down for 4 minutes or until the skin begins to peel off. Now for just a little bit of acidity, I'm going to come in with a tablespoon of vinegar. Stir that in. You need some cashew nuts in this recipe. The cashew nuts will help us to reach that velvety texture. You're gonna stir that in and cook an extra minute. Add a cup of water, and then you're going to stir to combine. Cook 1 more minute and turn the heat off. The next thing we're going to do is blend the entire mixture so we can get our velvety texture. We're going to need just a tad bit amount of sweetness. So I'm using honey. This is going to help balance all the other taste profiles that we have going on in there, especially the acidity and the heat. Stir that in. And at this point, you can go ahead and give it a taste. And it is perfect. Oh my goodness, these flavors are so bold. We're going to strain this directly back into the wok in order to ensure that we reach that velvety texture. Very important when making butter chicken. Here we're gonna add some butter. There's butter in the name of the recipe, so yeah. We also need some heavy whipping cream. Now you want to stir this in until everything is emulsified. Especially the butter. You don't want that to get cut. You want the cream, including the fat, to mix in perfectly to gain that velvety, silky smooth texture. And you don't want any oil resurfacing at all. Now we're going to stir the chicken in. We are almost done, and look how velvety smooth this is. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.